Hi guys, so today we're going to show you how to do flexi rods on long curly hair and short straight hair. So first I'm going to do it on her hair, which is the short straight hair obviously. So we're going to do flexi rods and you're going to need a few materials. The flexi rods, the gel, you can use any type of gel, but we're using just a random one that I had, but it really doesn't matter. Some water, like a spray bottle, and a brush. And that's all you're gonna need. So first, I'm gonna do it on her hair. I'm just gonna put my hair up to get it out of the way. So the first thing you're gonna do is brush the hair out, and just make sure that there are no knots or tangles or anything like that. Okay, and you're gonna section off the hair, and you can use like a comb or something, but I'm just gonna use a pen because that's what I always use.
No, you can't, because you're gonna color on my...
It's not gonna actually do it. I always use a pen. Okay, so I'm gonna section off a little piece of her hair. Okay, and it doesn't have to be make sure it's not a very, very big piece. Like if you want big loose curls, then do a big piece, but if you want short, or not short, but tight curls, then do a short, like a smaller piece. And then you wet the hair with water, and I actually don't have a spray bottle, so we're just gonna do plain water because I couldn't find my spray bottle. So you just wet the hair. You don't have to get it like soaking wet, but just wet enough, like damp. Okay, and then you use some gel. The gel is so that the curl will hold better when you put the flexi rod in. So it doesn't have to be that much. Like for short hair, it can be like this much. That's enough. Wait. Alright, this much. Okay, and after you distribute all of the gel into the hair, you're just going to take your flexi rod and you're going to put the hair on the end of the flexi rod. You twist and tuck in the remaining pieces of hair like this, and just twist it all the way up into the root, and then you tuck the ends in like so, and then you're done. So that's how it's supposed to look. Make sure the hair strand is wet and you have gel in it or some sort of product just so that the curl will hold better, and that's it. Okay, so after the flexi rod has sat in the hair for a little bit, overnight will get you the tightest curls. 2 to 3 hours will get you loose curls. So this is how it looks after about a couple hours. So you just, to take it out, you unravel the ends, and then you just literally just unravel the flexi rod. And there should be a curl. So it looks like this. This is after like a couple hours. And if you don't want it so stuck together, you can just brush it out a little and it looks like loose waves. So that is how you do flexi rods on short straight hair. Thank you for watching.